Module 4 Final Project, Strategic and Marketing Plan, Nursing 5342, Management of Nursing Operations, presented by Patrick Gardner. For the past 100 years, Houston Methodist legacy of medical innovation has attracted patients from around the world. What began in 1919 as a Methodist hospital, a small 30-bed hospital near downtown Houston, is now a leading academic medical system in the Texas Medical Center and throughout the Greater Houston area. Today, it is a system with 8 hospitals, more than 2,000 beds, 6,700 affiliated physicians, and 24,000 employees. Each hospital is staffed by committed personnel who exemplify our iCare values: integrity, compassion, accountability, respect, and excellence. Patient safety, quality, and service are the highest priorities in which innovation plays an integral role. The patient care delivery model. The patient care delivery system keeps the patient and family at the center, with the staff nurse leader in communication and collaboration with the interprofessional team to affect outcomes of safety, quality, knowledge, efficiency, and satisfaction. At Methodist, the mission is to use innovative technology to make the lives of the patients more seamless and transform the way the patients are seeing and interacting with doctors within their system. They have realized that the world is changing, and so are the needs of their patients. Innovative transformation is at the core of Methodist's future goals and objectives. To make this shift, Houston Methodist Innovation Center is introducing a new innovative idea: the virtual ICU. The virtual or remote intensive care unit is a redesigned model of care that uses state-of-the-art technology to leverage the expertise and knowledge of experienced caregivers over a large group of patients in multiple intensive care units. A virtual ICU will be a step towards meeting the needs of their patients, improving care for all, and providing the innovative transformation the hospital needs for growth and to stay a step ahead of its competitors. To ensure the new model of care is successful, an additional team of knowledgeable and skilled nurses, intensivists, physicians, and clinical staff will have to be hired to facilitate the demand of patient care associated with implementing the virtual ICU. To aid in the recruitment process, job postings will be placed in the company's website, local newspapers, and magazines. The estimated rates for local advertisement in the Houston Chronicle are typically about $676 to $1,500 per month. A healthy budget of about $12,000 will be used for this purpose. The company will also hold job fairs with a $10,000 sign-on bonus to facilitate the recruitment process as well. In addition to recruitment, the public will also need to be aware of our new innovative model of care, which will be advertised through the local media, emphasizing Methodist's commitment to providing the best quality of care through innovation. The first 6 months of the plan will be focused on recruiting and hiring clinical staff to work in the virtual ICU. This will be spearheaded by the Human Resources and Public Relations team. In addition, this time will also be used to purchase and set up computer hardware and software, cameras, and other medical equipment and supplies to operate the virtual ICU. This model of care is not going to target patients, but will focus its marketing efforts towards recruiting and hiring clinical staff to work in the virtual ICU, as well as family members who want to best care for their loved ones. We will also use as marketing measures as a way to remind our targeted market about Houston Methodist's innovative approach to optimum care. Critical care is resource intensive and demands meticulous process control. The complexity of intensive care unit support has increased due to aging demographic and surgical advances. This is especially magnified for cardiovascular patients with the expansion of mechanical cardiac support. Improved outcomes are predicted with early recognition of illness in tandem with defined care processes with implementation of virtual ICUs. Houston Methodist Hospital launched its innovative virtual ICU program to augment and enhance the critical care services being provided in its ICUs. The virtual ICU at Houston Methodist has three main components: the Operations Center, the OC, the bedside team, and the audiovisual communication infrastructure that links the two. As shown in this figure, patient mortality rate has improved over time after implementation of the virtual ICU. Monthly and yearly trend line for ICU patient mortality outcome has surely improved. In summary, tele-ICUs may serve within a hybrid model of care to support high-intensity coverage and bridge the gap for traditional ICU care. Virtual ICU is associated with improved ICU mortality and decreased length of stay. It also has additional benefits such as enhancing cardiovascular critical care, reducing inter-hospital transfers, and improving staff satisfaction. References about us: Houston Methodist Careers, 2002, April 16. Costas A. Deslik, Bailey Herson, A Business Case for Tele-Intensive Care Unit. Myers Reed, The Virtual ICU, A New Dimension for Critical Care Nursing Practice, 2008.